Is your V8 engine stumbling like it has lost its rhythm? Or is that check engine light staring you down with a code P3456? That is frustrating. But let us break down exactly what is happening under the hood, because this is not just a random glitch. This code points specifically to the cylinder 7 exhaust valve control circuit. Basically, your modern engine is smart enough to shut down half its cylinders, turning your powerful V8 into an economical V4 to save gas when you're just cruising on the highway or idling at a stoplight. It uses special variable valve timing solenoids to do this. When the engine computer, or ECM, tries to tell cylinder 7 to take a break and it sees a voltage signal or resistance that is way too high, it throws this code. It's like the computer shouting an order, but the feedback it gets is just static. Now, this is not just a light on the dash. You might feel a real misfire, see your fuel economy drop significantly, or the engine might just feel rough because the injector for that cylinder might get disabled for safety. Before you panic and start buying parts, let me give you a pro tip that could save you a lot of hassle. Check your oil. Seriously, these systems rely heavily on oil pressure to work those valves. If your oil is low, dirty, or the wrong viscosity, that solenoid cannot do its job, and the computer thinks the part is broken when it's actually just thirsty. So pull that dipstick first and make sure it's topped off with clean oil. If the oil is good, you need to look at the solenoid itself, usually found near the exhaust manifold for cylinder 7. Wiring is the next culprit. Engines get hot and wires can melt, chafe, or get chewed up. Look for any exposed copper, scraping, or burnt connectors. If you're handy with a digital multimeter, you can check for resistance on the circuit. You want to see 0 ohms on the ground connections. If there's resistance or no continuity, you likely have a bad wire that is open or shorted. Common fixes often involve just replacing that variable valve timing solenoid or cleaning a corroded connector, but sometimes it's as simple as clearing a blocked oil passage. Just don't make the rookie mistake of swapping the solenoid without checking the oil pressure or wiring first. It saves you a headache and keeps your wallet happy.